Welcome to AI Lessons in Under 5 Minutes. Today's lesson shows you how to use ChatGPT for comprehensive financial analysis. Let's turn complex numbers into clear insights. First, let's get key metrics analyzed. So we'll start with the prompt, analyze these financial statements, where you insert your numbers, and calculate profitability ratios, liquidity metrics, efficiency indicators, and growth rates. So now let's jump to ChatGPT. So we have our prompt here, and you'll notice that we tell ChatGPT that we're going to give it the numbers by attachment. So let's hit the plus button, select the financial statements, add those to our prompt, and we're ready to go. From here, we need to give ChatGPT a little bit of time to do its analysis, at which point it will tell us the data that it's going to provide. And then it starts to give us our data. You'll notice that it organizes the data in a manner that makes sense and that fits the prompt. Now, let's identify important trends. So we'll put in the prompt, using the last 6 months of data, identify revenue trends, highlight expense patterns, show profit margin changes, flag significant variations. Let's compare performance against benchmarks. So here we'll use the prompt, compare my business metrics with industry standards for revenue growth rate, profit margins, operating costs, and key ratios. Finally, let's get those actionable insights. So the prompt here is, based on this analysis, provide priority improvements, growth opportunities, risk mitigation steps, and strategic recommendations. And there you have it, financial analysis simplified with AI. Want more financial insights? Like and follow for daily lessons.